Songkran at One Hope International School is more than just a celebration. It's a moment of joy, connection, and new beginnings. It's a time to pause, to appreciate one another, and to create memories that would last far beyond today. As water flows and gently wash over us, we are reminded of a fresh start, letting go of what is behind and stepping forward with renewed hearts. Each drop reflects a sense of renewal, a quiet reminder of grace, a chance to begin again, to walk in love and reflect the goodness we are called to share. We see the beauty of community and the strength we find in unity. This is One Hope International School, where every celebration brings us closer and every day is an opportunity to grow, to belong, and to shine with purpose.